I welcome all of you on YourPedia, and this particular video is related to which are the important subjects in mechanical engineering and production engineering which you must prepare for your interview in GT and MT, that is graduate training and management training in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. See, HAL interviews are going to come soon, and there are two posts for which interviews are going to be conducted. One is design trainee, another is management trainee, and for both these two posts they ask you HR as well as technical questions. Now many students think that for management trainee the technical knowledge is not required. Let me tell you honestly, 80% of the questions you will be asked from technical on an average, because HAL is a design, manufacturing, R&D company, and hence the subject knowledge is very important. Now management trainee should know little bit more about the management case studies also. So both design trainee and management trainee should have very good knowledge about your technical subjects. Now what technical subjects you should prepare and how you should prepare? Let me tell you, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is a public sector which is different from other public sectors. Let me give you an example. If I talk about IUCL, or if I talk about, let's say, Cochin Shipyard Limited, or if I talk about HRRL, for which interviews are going on or they will come soon, or I talk about NPCL, I talk about BARC. So these organizations, we are very clear what domain they are working. Like IUCL is an energy company, so we can say that okay, they will either recruit you for refineries or related to domain of thermal science, or they will recruit you for marketing. Similarly, HRRL is oil company. Cochin Shipyard is a manufacturing industry company, manufacturing repair company. But when we talk about HAL, HAL is a design company, HAL is a manufacturing company, HAL is R&D based company, and HAL is marketing oriented company. So that means you should have knowledge, and also HAL makes the product which are related to aeronautics or aerospace, or related to your aeroplanes and all. Now whenever you are making a product which is aeroplane, you need to do a lot of testing, and for that the thermal science or fluid subjects become important. So nutshell mein, for HAL you need to prepare almost all subjects. You need to prepare design because it is a design company. So subject like strength of material, machine design, theory of machine, they become important. And even engineering mechanics, because basic physics is involved in that. And basic physics is also important because products are related to flying and all. HAL mein production engineering, manufacturing science you have to do because it is a manufacturing company. HAL mein industrial engineering you should do, especially for management training. Why? Because it is an industry. HAL mein thermal science you should do, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, they are important subjects. Why? Because the products with which you are dealing, computational fluid mechanics, computational fluid dynamics, these terms are involved in that. So what subjects you have to prepare for HAL? Number one, design subjects you have to prepare. In design subject, most important is strength of material, which obviously you have to prepare because it is a design company. So basics of design you should know. Then you should prepare about thermal subjects. Most important thermal subjects, as you know, are thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer. These are the three main subjects. In fact, these four are the basic subjects of mechanical engineering. You have to do this also. Why? Because fluid. Why? Because aeroplane flying, Bernoulli equation, fluid you need to do. You need to understand that. Engine, Kaveri engine, thermodynamics, heat transfer, engine you are making. So you need to know that. Third is production engineering, production or manufacturing engineering. Production or manufacturing. Production and manufacturing also you have to revise. Welding, casting, forming, cutting, unconventional machining processes, These basics you need to know, right? Because it is a manufacturing company. You need to know the concepts of manufacturing. They can ask you, because related to any machine they can ask you. And this subject becomes very, very important for production engineers. Production engineers are also to do this, but this subject is the most important for production engineer. For mechanical engineers, all are important. And fourth, which normally is not asked, is industrial engineering. Normally it is not asked in other. Normally it is not asked in other public sectors. But it is asked in HAL. Why? Because HAL is an industry related to production. So what are the different kind of production layouts? Do you know something about this mass production, batch production, line balancing, fixed position layout? Because aeroplane manufacturing, fixed position layout. Do you know something about inventory, how to forecast? All these things. I mean, industrial engineering becomes important, especially for management training. This subject is very, very important for management trainee students, but design trainee also should know that. So if you see this, then entire mechanical engineering you should have some knowledge. Now, how you can prepare it? The good thing is, like, YourPedia already has made marathon videos for mechanical engineering. Marathon interview videos. The moment you put marathon interview videos of mechanical engineering on YouTube, playlist will come. Strength of material, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, heat transfer, IC engine, RAC, mechanical vibration, material science, all these videos will pop up. Please listen these videos as many times as possible if you want to get selected. For not only HAL I am talking about all interviews. If in mechanical engineering or production engineering you want to get selected, please go through these marathon videos as many times as possible. Though they are 6-7 hours video, 3 hours video, but they are made only for interview. They prepare you for interview. Other than marathon videos, now some marathon videos for these subjects are not there. Then you are to listen, you are to prepare through snaps. For production and industrial, you have to prepare yourself through snaps. Hundreds and thousands of snaps are there. In fact, one of my video is related to production engineering, that is 1 hour video of casting and welding. Casting and welding. All questions of casting and welding which you can be asked in interview are there in that video. That is also on YouTube. So these all marathon videos and all are on YouTube channel only, YourPedia Education. So if you want to get questions from inventory or question from forming, metal cutting, where can I get, sir? You can get it from snaps which are available, hundreds of snaps available on the panel of YourPedia of different teachers. If you go on the panel of YourPedia for interview guidance, once you register, then you will find hundreds of snaps. So suppose today you prepared welding and you want to test your knowledge of welding, go and start attending the snaps. Snap means a teacher is asking question of 10 minutes and asking those questions from you, and then you are giving answers, and then he is giving you feedback. That is called snap. So just go through those snaps and you will find that yes, there is so much content kept on that. The moment you do this, the best is for preparation of the interview is start taking mocks. Unlimited mocks are provided by the mentors of YourPedia, HR, technical, everything, and that is the best way to prepare. It enhances your confidence. So these are the subjects of mechanical engineering we have to do. This is the way it is to be done. Start your preparation. And let me tell you one thing honestly, friends, if you have got an interview call and if you are not preparing for interview, if you are not going for 20-30 mocks with the mentors after studying this, you will not get confidence. And maybe if you lose the entire selection by 1 or 2 marks, you understand how much loss it will be for you. So start preparing, and I am very sure you will do good in this particular exam. Thank you.